Carrera, come taste the delight, where flavor and flair make everything right.
Cooking on Carrera is coming closer to being a reality. So this morning, it's like 7:30 in the morning right now, we're pumping concrete and putting in the foundation for the kitchen. Walk out here and show you. So they're pumping, we stop here and turn around. So the concrete truck is backed up to the pump there, pulled forward to the pump before we shoot. And they're pumping down through this hose. So, pumping through this hose here. And I asked the guys, it's going to be 10 yards total. So they're pumping the concrete into the forms. We're going to have a kitchen here pretty quick. Looks like cooking on Carrera is getting closer all the time. They poured the concrete this morning and they've already stripped the forms. So I need to go get started ordering equipment.